Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features the petite powerhouse Nichole. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
Outfit number 5. What do we think of this stunning piece? I know that it is very low, so I did put a bathing suit on underneath. It is supposed to be worn as a beach cover, but you could totally add it to a spicy date night maybe. This is the Karma dress. This is available in black, white, and a gray blue. Perfect for those of you who are traveling to a warmer climate, or just getting some summer shopping in a little early. What do we think, ladies? Welcome back to another episode of the Daily Try-On. My name is Nichole. I have picked 5 business casual, business smart outfits to show you today. So let's get into it. The first outfit I have on is this gorgeous gingham skirt. This is from Charlie B. It's the Lumina. So it has pockets, it has a nice bit of stretch, and then the little shorts underneath, which is great if you have little thicker thighs, and I've paired that with the Tilda top. This is a piece from Soy Concept. I know we've had them in before. I feel like they may have changed them up a little bit this year, but it's a great sort of stretchy material in the back, and then this beautiful satiny material in the front. On to outfit number 2. Okay, so back with outfit number 2. I kept the Tilda top on just because I love it so much, but I paired it with the Melina trousers. These are from Franza. They are this beautiful warm toffee color. I know a couple of the other girls have had them on, and I'm super excited that we finally got the plus size in. We do only have a couple of pieces through the size, so if you love them, then you need to come try them on ASAP. They are super comfortable. And then just to complete the look, I've paired it with one of our Pixie Mood bags, and I am ready to go to work. Okay, so back in outfit number 3. I can't tell you how amazing these pants feel. These are the Lori pants, the Lori flood pants from Habitat. They are supposed to be cropped, but I'm 4'11", so these are like a full-length pant on me. So if you are petite, they will be full length, and they are fabulous. I am wearing the extra large. They have this nice sort of like yoga band style waistband, which is quite lovely. And then I have paired the pants with this sweet top. This is the Kimmy top. This is from Soy Concept. I know we have this in I think 3 or 4 different colors. It is a great little casual business look. Yep. On to outfit number 4. Okay, back in outfit number 4. This whole thing is fantastic. So these pants, I don't know if they are the Luna pant or the Naomi pant trousers, from Franza. These are black, and then I've got the blazer that sort of matches with them. They also come in a green. These ones have a bit of an elasticized waistband in the back with a drawstring, but they still look really great as just an everyday trouser. I've paired the outfit with this great little bag from Pixie Mood, but I want to show you the top. The top is from Soy Concept. This is 100% cotton, so just a great little basic t-shirt. But it has this great little detailing here, the little tie backs in the sleeve, just to add a little something, make it a little bit interesting. Feels great. You're gonna have to come and try these pants on because these are gonna sell very quickly. So come in, try them on. I'll be right back with outfit number 5.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.